Hi beauties, team Fullest. So today I want to come and share with you guys a quick fall outfit that I put together. So I was going away for the weekend. I was just going for 2 days and one night. So I wanted to pack something in my bag that I know that I can wear both. I don't have to go with different bag for different outfits or different shoes for different outfits. I didn't want that. I just want something that I can actually use for both outfits. So the piece of the outfit I was going for was more neutral, going with the fall vibes, you know. So the statement piece was the jacket, the boots, and this handbag. This was the statement piece for me, and I wanted to find an outfit that can match both three pieces. So the first outfit that I went with was a skirt, a mini skirt, and with a bodysuit, you know, like this bodysuit, a dark brown bodysuit. The reason why I didn't make that video when I had the first outfit on, because I was in a hurry and my battery was dead. So but I did some videos. I did get a video of the outfit outside, so I put that one at the end. And this is the second outfit. So this is a second outfit I went for because I feel like black can match anything. That's one thing I love with fall. For me, naturally, I love neutral colors. I'm more into neutral colors. I have some few pieces of bright outfits in my wardrobe, but I prefer neutral. I love black. Black is my go-to when it comes to outfits. My actual favorite color is dark olive green. That's my favorite color, but when it comes to outfit, black is my go-to outfit. So I realized that I do have a lot of black, and also knowing that now that black and neutral are my colors, I'm not really going to buy any other color that I know I'm not comfortable with because of what society said. I'm just being in my own comfort space, and I do have some bright colors. Like I said, I do have yellows and pink and stuff like that that I can also match with some black and some other neutral colors. So let me give you a piece of where I got all of these outfits from. The jacket I got from Zalando, from a brand. I don't really know the brand name, but I'll put it for you guys on the screen because it has been a long time since I got this jacket. And the dress, it's like a dress, long sleeve dress. I got it from, this is from Zara. I got from Zara. The boots, it's from Zalando as well. I love this brand. I don't really know the name, but I'll put it for you guys on the screen. I think I have four pair of boots from this brand. I really love their boots. Their boots are really nice, very comfortable. One of my favorite boots to wear to festival in the summer. If you guys know, in the summer we have different festivals in Holland. My favorite boots to wear to festival when it comes to boots from this brand. I have different type. Like I love this brand. I love their boots. Their boots are very comfortable to wear. So these are like one of my favorite brand when it comes to boots, actually, when I'm going to festival. I also love the Dr. Martin boots. I do have, I think, 2 pair of those, and I love those. Like Dr. Martin and this brand, they are my favorite brand when it comes to boots for festival. So I really love this, very comfortable. And the bag, I got this bag from TK Maxx. You can actually wear this bag as a cross bag, or you can just hold it like this. Me personally, I'm not really that girl who's into cross bags. Not really my style. I love having my bag hold like this. I don't really have like a cross bag. I rather hold it like this, and maybe even sometimes hang it on, like even to hang a bag like this, it's not really my kind of thing. I just prefer something very small to hold it. So if you find me going out on my own, I always have like really tiny bag that barely nothing can enter in, only my phone and some few ID cards. I prefer it that way. When I'm going out with the kids, I have my mommy bag, but when I'm going on my own, I just want something small. I'm not really a fan of cross bag. So yeah, that's the first outfit I wear. The skirt, I got it from a brand, from a shop in Arnhem. I can't remember the name of the store because it's my first time ever going. I'm an online shopper. I love shop online. Zalando is one of my favorite stores when it comes to online shopping. But once in a while, I like to go to the city and just just spontaneously entered different shops and see what they have. So the first outfit, the dress, the skirt, I got it from that store. I'll put the name for you guys on the screen as well. And the top, I also got it from Zalando, and the rest of the outfit, you guys already know where I got it. So let me know what you think of this, my fall outfit. These are the two-piece outfit that I put together because I felt like these two outfits will match the jacket, the bag, and the shoe. I don't really have to go with extra shoe, excuse me, I don't really have to go with extra shoe or extra bag. And that was it. Very simple accessories. I just have my watch and some bracelets and just very, very simple accessories. I don't really have a lot, and earrings. I don't really have a lot. I like to keep it very, very simple. And the makeup look also very simple, very neutral. I'm more into like the natural makeup look. It's fall. That's one thing I love about fall. I love to see all these beautiful outfits, styles, and everyone looks so amazing in fall. And this is my own fall outfit. This is what I put together. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Did I did a good job? Did I kill this three-piece with two different outfits? Let me know what you think in the comment box. I also did some shopping from the H&M, which I'll be showing you guys in the next video. I went to the H&M and I picked some amazing stuff, just two pieces, and I loved it so much. So yeah, I just want to come and show you guys a quick fall outfit. And let me know what you think in the comment box, and I'll see you all. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.